Good morning, amigos. It's another day to make another pound. Welcome back to the channel. For all of you that have just joined the channel, I would like to introduce you to my team, the Marble Design team. And I'm going to start off with the guy that's made everything possible. And this is Iron Man, known as Tony. This is Superman, and known as Ruben. And definitely always around, always busy eating. Unlike today, this is Batman, known as Joe. And upstairs we have our Joker.
Hey, don't forget the Joker.
We have our Joker, known as Paul. And myself, Igor, Rogerio, known as the cameraman. This is going to be a crazy week. We've got a couple of kitchens we need to install, a couple of vanities. We need to start manufacturing some other vanities. And we're going to start a tiling job. The so-called tiling job that we need to remove the tiles and reinstall the tiles. The one that the client don't like the color of his current bathroom. Let's see how it goes. Now, let's get going. We're changing the bottom of the vanity. The client wanted a flat bottom. We recommended not making a flat bottom. Now we're replacing it with an envelope bottom. Yeah, Ruben has completed the vanity. This looks fantastic. Our iron has been working for the last 2 weeks. Cracked down the middle. As we turn it around, it should just split. After such a shit start, you don't even have motivation, eh?
Oh yeah, try and make it smooth, silky smooth.
Joe, is it ready?
Cool.
Installation.
I think so.
We've just brought in 3 slabs from Neolith. They're in a satin. What a beautiful slab. I don't know if you can see if the camera will show it, but the movements on the slab, it actually looks like the ripple effect. As we do with most porcelain slabs, we need to detension it by cutting a border around the stone. Joe, are you eating again?
Yeah. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. It's not good, looks like. I'm having vegetables.
Oh, healthy.
Choose one, Ruben. Anyone except the heart.
Choose one, anyone except the heart.
There we go. It's too hard, so. Cheers.
White chocolate, Ruben. Chocolate. No, you're on a diet. You can't go.
No, you only lettuce. I'm on the seafood diet. Anything I see is be my Valentine.
Hey, happy Valentine.
Let's go.
Batman,
Yeah.
looking good, looking finished.
Almost there.
Almost there. Oh, the edge is done.
She'll look nice when she's finished.
Oh, you've done the polished out the cutouts.
Yeah.
We actually got the Neolith, the Metropolitan Steel Touch, from the full slab And now we have some beautiful floor tile design ready for installation. Batman!
Yo.
Can we discuss tomorrow's plan quickly?
Okay, let's do it. What's the plan?
Tomorrow morning, I'll meet you in London.
Yeah.
We're gonna go install the vanity at Bond Street.
Okay.
I got a call from the client. I think he's accepted the tiles. He wants us to take it to site so that he can have a look at the colors. So today I've got a load. So first thing tomorrow morning, once I do the vanity, I can drop it off for the client to approve it. And hopefully we can start tiling this week. Get that out of the way. We've actually got the vanities cut out for tomorrow. Hopefully Ruben pulls in early tomorrow morning and he does the mitre downstairs, the build-ups. So we're ready to install. I'll be leaving early at 6 in the morning to meet up with Batman to install the vanity at Vaughan Street. And hopefully we'll have this other kitchen top ready first thing in the morning, well, second thing in the morning, so that we can come back from London and go out and install it. So today has been a bit of a good day in one sense, but a little bit disappointing because we broke the top, the island that we worked so hard. So we were all disappointed. The guys didn't really feel that motivated, but I guess it's like they say, it is what it is. We get another one and we just got to punch on. Thanks for listening. I will see you on the next one.